Hello everyone. So if you want to enter an exit recovery mode on your Vivo X80 Pro, first of all we need to turn off our phone. So locate your power button right here at the side of your phone, hold it and press power off. Now give your phone a few seconds to completely turn off. As it turned off, you are to press and hold the power button once again and your volume up button simultaneously for a few seconds. Keep holding until the fast boost mode appears on the screen. Alright, it did appear. We can navigate through it using our volume down and volume up buttons, and to make a choice, press your power button. So now choose your recovery mode, press your power button. Let's wait until it will be loaded up. Alright, so we entered our recovery mode. Here you can perform several actions like install updates, clear your data, enter save mode and check on your system. So to exit recovery mode, simply press restart or power off. Well, press restart, confirm your choice by pressing OK, and basically that's it. Our phone will reboot and return to normal Android mode. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.